Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power ln of x is equal to 1, or taking ln to both sides we can write here ln of x whole to the power ln of x is equal to ln of 1, or according to law of logarithm we can write here ln of x times ln of x is equal to ln of 1, that means 0. The value of ln of 1 is 0, or ln of x times ln of x, that means ln of x whole square is equal to 0, or taking square root to both sides we can write here square root of ln of x whole square is equal to square root of 0, or this square cancel out this square root, so it will be remaining ln of x is equal to square root of 0, that means 0. Or now taking base e to both sides we will get e to the power ln of x is equal to e to the power 0. Now we know e to the power ln of a is equal to a and e to the power 0 is equal to 1. So finally the value of x is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.